Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Daniel at Reinhardt Equipment here in Rome, Georgia, located off of 3556 Martha Berry Highway. Today we got another awesome used machine to go over with you. This is a 2015 Bobcat T630, and yes, this machine has been passed through a rigorous front and back inspection by our certified Bobcat technicians. This machine has wide tracks, standard controls, keyless operation, and some good looking tracks, by the way, ready to go to work for you. Let's go ahead and hop in the machine. We'll get her cranked up here for you guys. All right, let's check out this loader. Very smooth loader operation. Tilt up and down is flawless. Go ahead and raise it all the way up. Let's drive this thing around. Making a left turn here. Hope you guys can hear the engine. It's a very smooth operating engine. Sounds perfect. Make a right hand turn here. Go ahead and cut it off. Guys, thanks again for checking out our YouTube channel. Stay up to date for new videos and features on new used equipment. And again, check out our homepage at www.reinhardtequipment.com. We'll see you next time.